Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a few mind game fragrances that I just wanted to get into. To our first impression, so giving you those thoughts, but I wanted to share my beautiful Christmas gift from my boo thing, my man. But no, it's Mind Games and it's Prodigy. Oh, this packaging, you all, is awesome. Very much amazing. It comes in this sleeve, but the feel of it, okay? The feel of it is very luxury luxe. I don't know what material this is, but it's not your everyday box. We'll just say that. And it comes looking like this. Oh, how beautiful is that bottle in this packaging? So I was able to test Prodigy and Neiman Marcus Fragrance Heaven is what I call it, when I was in Chicago, and I was able to test this out and fell madly in love and put this on my wish list. I talk about wish lists all the time, so I put it on my Christmas wish list and it is here, okay? We have success on the wish list, sis. Put it on a wish list, okay? Whether your son, your daughter, your boo thing, your man, you know, a friend wants to give it to you, whoever, your husband, your wife, just put it on the wish list. And I did just that. So Prodigy, it's so excited. Like, this just makes me want to cry. It's so, it's just beautiful. I don't know what else to say. It's luxury. It's luxury in the bottle. I am so happy. Okay, but the packaging, this is not a full review, but the packaging is awesome. It has this like ombre white effect. So it gives you this like very chic, clean type of aesthetically pleasing bottle. Oh, it's so good. So Prodigy, and I'm just reading from the Mind Games website, but it has sandalwood, we have vanilla, blonde wood in this, so a very soft blonde wood in this, which I get. And there's a fresh rosy spice, so rose absolute is in this, cinnamon and bergamot is also in this. So that's where you get like this fresh spicy rose. But I mean, this rose though, to me, is not this sharp rose, right? I feel like, I'm gonna spray it again, but I feel like this rose is, I don't want to say a youthful rose, but I don't know, with that creaminess in this, it just gives it a very creamy rose, spicy rose, but just creamy. It's very seductive. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is luxury. Anyway, this is not a full review, but we'll get into this more. Okay, so this is not my first impression. I have experienced this in store. That's why I knew I wanted this. But in this packaging, which again, I love. In this packaging, we have patchouli, and I feel like this is an oil. It is. Ooh, it reminds me of Brown Sugar Babe and how they have like that protective cap. Okay, come on through. But this is an oil, and you all know, like when you have oils, it brings out the fragrance more. So I can just imagine like putting patchouli and then the fragrance probably turns into something else, right? And then they also have Rose Absolute. So the Rose Absolute note that's in here, and then it'll bring out something else. Oh, I am so excited to play, to dive in. We'll get into, again, my full thoughts on all the oils and the fragrance and how it wears and how it tests outside. And I'm sure I'm going to get compliments because I'm complimenting it. It is. And I'm just smelling like, it's so good. So I'll tell you about the compliments and all the things. We will dive deep and I will give you my real thoughts. But honey, this box is a keeper, okay? I'm gonna have to find some place where it just sits like that. It's so royal, and it has the crown. This is just royalty. I love it. Anyway, Mind Games also sent me a few samples, and I haven't heard of these, which is fine with me. I'm sure some of you all might have heard, but we have Opera Mate. And this is a roasted chestnut suede fragrance, it says. So we have creamy sandalwood in this. We have hints of caramel in this. Okay, so we have a sweetness, enriching top notes on this. We have musk, benzoin, vetiver. Wow, okay, I love those notes. Looking at the bottle sometimes, you're like, okay, it's giving me masculine. It's a black bottle. But let's see, my first impression. And I love this. Is a healthy sample. I don't mind this. Okay, so again, it says Opera Mate, and I will have to wear this, right? And I also got this bag. Maybe I can put samples in that when I travel. It's cute. Okay. Okay. Okay, on the back of this. So it has roasted chestnut. We have grapefruit zest, ladamum. We have creme brulee. Ooh, Divana, vetiver, suede caramel santal. Okay, but this is giving me more masculine. I can see a guy wearing this more than maybe me, but it smells good. Okay. I think that vetiver might just be turning it real masculine for my nose, but it's not a turn off. Oh, this would be a good male scent. So, oh gosh, guys, if you're looking for a new scent, I'll have to test it out, but definitely for you, Opera Mate. I would try this. Wow. Okay, all right. So next we have Counterplay. And this has melon, guava, banana. Wow, interesting. Okay, we have osmanthus, we have ylang ylang, we have orange blossom, sandalwood, patchouli, and pink pepper. Wow, okay, so it says it's a floral, woody, fruity type of fragrance. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Well, let's give it a try. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I smell like heavy melon to me. And the banana. Oh, so blast of fruit. I do smell that. Blast of fruit. But I guess what's interesting to me is like almost like a warm spice. I don't know if that's the osmanthus or maybe the pink pepper. Oh, this is good. You know what? This is a unique take on a fruity fragrance. Wow. I'm going to have to play with this more, but I think I would add this to my wish list. I know my man's probably like, girl, gosh, give me a break. But I might add this to my wish list. You know, Valentine's is around the corner. We all can get some love. You know, we all need a little fragrance love. But, wow, okay, Counterplay. So if you're looking for, I would say, a unique, because I want to say this is giving me like a unique fruity concoction. So if you're looking for something fruity, unique, but smelling good, still gives me feminine, but I can see a male vibing with this too. Wow, I'm gonna have to get more into this. So I'm gonna have to wear this out, give you all my full thoughts. So if you're interested in my full thoughts on these fragrances, like a full review, let me know. I'll let you know kind of where you should wear this, what I got, did I get anything? Wow, but Mind Games, to me, it's a brand that is definitely making waves, right? It's making waves and people are talking about it, but it's this real powerful house that when they come out with a fragrance, they're literally making impact, you know? Every fragrance is not going to be your jam. So I will say that, please. And the price tag on these are like $400, close to $500. So please do yourself a favor. Go into, I can only talk about Neiman Marcus because that's where I've seen them, but go into your luxury retail or go in store, right? Or in the mall and test it before you are buying this big old price tag of a fragrance. Like, see if you vibe with it. Now, I do highly believe for Mind Games, there is a fragrance for everyone. So even if you don't like this and you're more fresh, if you don't like this, you're more fruity, you don't like this, but you like girly, there is a fragrance for each and every person, male included. Their packaging, their bottles are extravagant, looking like chess piece. I mean, literally, the box has, I don't even know what this is, but I love it. It's very luxury. But they also have test strips and stuff. And like, it is such a luxury experience. I would highly recommend you put Mind Games as like a house that you would want to like discover, you know, dive in. I would absolutely try Mind Games. Currently, I have 3 Mind Game fragrances, which I adore and love and will continue to add more to my collection. Not all at once, but when I can, I will. It is such a quality luxury brand that I am loving to get to know and experience and seeing like what I like, what I don't like. Like, I love those houses that actually make you like really dive in and think. Like Initio, to me, I love that house too. It just makes me like, I never knew vanilla would smell like this, or this take on, you know. So like those houses that really make impact, I love discovering new houses that are really pushing their way out here. House of Beau, like things that are just like, you know, they're like the silent killers. I don't even know if you can say that on YouTube, but they are coming in full force, impact, and I love them, right? I love the way it makes me feel, smell, and all the things, and people around me appreciate it too. So I would highly recommend getting into Mind Games if you haven't been able to discover any of the line. Comment down below. Let me know, what is your favorite Mind Game fragrance? I would love to know. The family would love to know, because everyone would love recommendations. Even if I can't purchase it tomorrow, I can go in Neiman Marcus and smell it while I can't in Tennessee. We don't have to talk about that. But if you have a Neiman Marcus in your city, you can go and at least experience it and smell it, right? Nobody's telling you, go ahead and buy. Well, somebody out there is telling you to buy it. But I'm telling you, go experience it, see what you like, add it to your wish list, plan for it, right? We ain't trying to keep up with the Joneses. We want to smell good, but if it's going to take us some time to get the fragrance, it is what it is. Who is checking you about that? Are they paying for it? Goodbye. Don't let them do that. Literally go into store. Go into store, experience it, and see what you vibe with. And if you vibe with something, add it to your wish list, or sister, simply just plan to get it in the near future or in the distant future, whatever future that look like for you. But that's my TED Talk, and I'm sticking with it. Well, family, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Sharing is caring. I would love for you to share me with your friends, your family, so that they can meet me and join the family, okay? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.